Hi, my name is Matthew Fishman, and my topic is why you should start investing now. My topic is on investing in stocks, options, or anything you can invest in on Wall Street. I'll talk about my experience with investing and why you should be doing it too. I will do this by explaining the benefits to investing and why now is the time to start. Everyone has heard of someone who has had great success in stocks. All it takes is a few dollars a month to grow your portfolio and share in that success yourself. I've been researching and investing in stocks for the last year. I have found ways to attack stocks and when is the right time to join and leave a specific stock. In addition to long-term holds, there are many specific investing options I have personally used, so I have the information to speak on and share with you. The coronavirus has given something to us that we have not seen since the 2008 stock market crash: discounted stocks. Now is the time to get into the market as nearly all share prices are down due to COVID-19 concerns. And with all the time in the world and optimism for the future of the virus, now is the time to start. Investing has many different options, and I will go over how buying a stock works, what a dividend is, how calls and puts work, and what is right for you based on your budget. Lastly, I will speak on people who have mastered this trade and what they did to get where they are now and how you can follow their lead. Discounted stocks. Everyone by now has heard of coronavirus. It is a deadly respiratory disease that affects all of our lives. With it came pessimism in the economy, slashing prices of some stocks by 50 or more percent. However, this could be a very good thing for you, a new investor. With stimulus packages meant to help a business stay afloat after the COVID-19 pandemic inevitably passes, I believe the faith in the market we had just a few short months ago will return. If that is the case, we could see unprecedented gains in stocks, which means more money in your pocket. There are specific stocks you could look at. NYMT, a mortgage stock. No one's taking mortgages right now, but when the coronavirus passes, maybe people want to invest in real estate again. There are more risky stocks. You have Tesla, which everyone has heard about. It's up and down every day. And even cheaper, more risky stocks, such as GoPro. But how do you do this? There are many ways to buy stocks. There are the simple ways of just buying a share or two of the stock, but we are here to stick our teeth into this. That's why we have options trading. Options trading is how you make the big bucks. It gives you the option to put a down payment into a stock. For example, Ford is trading at $4.50 a share, and you think it's going to go up. So, like the savvy investor you are, you put a call option on the stock, which allows you to buy 100 shares of Ford at $4.50 at a later date. When that date comes, you have a few options. If the price went up like you thought it would, you could buy 100 shares for $4.50 and then do with them as you please. Sell them, keep them, it's up to you. Another option you get is to sell your down payment, and you could sell your option to buy 100 shares to someone else so that they get the honor of buying the shares at $4.50 per share. And you take the money and run. But nothing is perfect. What happens if you are wrong and the stock price goes down by the date you chose to purchase $4.50 per share? Don't worry, you are not forced into buying 100 shares at that price. You are simply asked, or more demanded, to lose the down payment you made on the shares. So in essence, it is a low risk, high reward way to trade stocks. But why is this important to you, a college student? Everyone needs to save for their futures. Putting money into stocks in the long term is a great way to save money. There are many options to do this. There are smartphone apps such as Robinhood, where you could put money into your phone with a little bit of information and start investing today. Quote, "These may be stocks, bonds, ETFs, and even mutual funds. Options are another asset class, and when used correctly, they offer many advantages that trading stocks and ETFs alone cannot." Warren Buffett wasn't always the billionaire CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. Everyone starts somewhere, with some better off than others, but you can create your own path. The next billionaire investor won't be someone who follows today's rules. If you take investing seriously and find a path that works for you, the potential is limitless. Now, investing can be risky. Nothing is for certain, and it is possible to lose your money. But timing is everything in this, and I am here telling you that the timing is now. Don't be behind the curve on this. Start investing today. There are a lot of ways to look at important investors and be like, I can be like them. Most likely that's not going to happen. Do it at your own pace. Look at options, look at trends, look at long-term trends, and you will be okay. Today, I have talked to you about why it is a good time to invest. I have walked you through how to invest and the many options you have with it, and the stories of the greats who have made their livings off stocks, and why it is impossible that you aren't the next one. It is not impossible. I am imploring you, if you have any extra money lying around, invest it now. We will not see stocks at this price again for a long time, and until another depression comes, we won't see it again. So, if you want to be the man or woman of the household, what will you do next?